Hey, hi everybody. Today, following my shout to advert the next radio session, Soul in Jamaica, the Western Soul in the 60s. What the next radio session will be not the soul hit taken in ska, rocksteady or early reggae, but real soul music. And for the example, with this Derrick Harriott cover of soul, of motown, amazing motown sound, this is not the spirit of the next radio session, because this is reggae style. This is a cover on reggae style, but it is my pleasure to give you this great gift. So listen, enjoy. It's a gift. Classic. Girls all right. She's so good to me. I guess that's why I feel fancy free. Just to see the glow in her eyes makes me once again realize I love her with all of my heart, and I know we'll never, never part. I never heard about a common thing. I guess that's why you always hear me sing. The girls all right with me. You know the girl's alright. Girl's alright with me. You know the girl's alright.
Hey, soul brothers, soul sisters, come and follow Mr. Boogaloo. Yeah. For all Rudies, all around the world.
When I visit at her home, all the fellas never ring or phone. She lets them know just where they stand. She tells them all that I'm her man. And when we're out on a date, all the fellas wait till I walk
This is a
away.
soul, northern
They
soul
try to
classic.
beat my time.
Play in reggae style.
Girls alright with me. You know the girls alright. The girls alright with me. And I trust her with my heart. The girls alright. Every day now. Right with me. You know the girls alright.
And do not forget that Jamaican music is a medicine for the world.